This small device is the NIIMBOT D110 series smart label printer. Let's unbox it and take a look. Okay, so we've got a USB-C charging cable and we have the smart label printer. And we also have a guide. So let's just get the box out of the way. Right. Let's take a quick look at the guide. NIIMBOT Smart Label Printer Quick Start Guide, NIIMBOT D110. Contents: package contents, installation, installing app, connecting and printing, basic functions, LED indicators, specifications, safety precautions, related statements. Package contents: we've got the smart label printer, label paper roll, USB-C Type-C cable, and quick start guide. Okay, so is the paper roll within the printer? I assume it is. I guess we'll notice, we'll find out when we get to the stage where we open the printer. Installation. Right. Slide left to open the lid. Right, there we have the paper as expected. Print, slide, tear off blade. Fit the print paper into the compartment with the print side facing down and the first label paper sticking out of the tear off compartment. Okay, so I'm supposed to now wait a minute, what am I doing? Okay, what is going on with this? Does this end somewhere? Where's the... Okay, I think I've messed this up a bit. Okay, there it is. So, let me just fix this quickly. And... right, so that's the print side. So let's try that again. And I'm supposed to open here, so I guess I don't need that. And this bit is supposed to be sticking out. Is it? How far is it supposed to be sticking out? So it should be just like that, I guess. Not sure if that's correct, but we'll see if that's protruding the correct amount or not. slide right to close the paper compartment. Okay, well that's done. Hold down the power button for 3 seconds to switch on the printer. Okay, let's see, does it need to be charged? Nope, apparently not. Long press power button to open. Caution, connection with Bluetooth by app. Okay, so I'm guessing that's the next stage. Yeah. Installing app. Before using the printer, please install the NIIMBOT app from Google Play or the App Store. Okay, let's open the App Store and find the app. NIIMBOT Label Maker. Okay, so it looks like this one. Design and print app, easy to download and use. Yeah, this has got to be it. Okay, that's installed. So let's open it up. And what does it say? Let's see, first let's read the instructions. Whatever. Connecting and printing. Open NIIMBOT app and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Bluetooth is already on my phone and I've opened the app. On home, tap connect smart label printer, then select device mode. Okay, so let's first agree to that. I'm going to skip the help guide because I'm following the instructions in this paper guide. On home, tap connect smart label printer, then select device model. Okay, connect. Allow NIIMBOT to find Bluetooth devices. Allow D110 etc etc. Okay, that's got to be it. After connecting, oh, it says actually, notice if a PIN code is required, input 4 zeros or 1234, didn't have to do that. After connecting, tap on current label template on the home tab to enter the label editor. Current label template. Template scan, use current supplies in the printer, my templates. Okay, there is no current label template. Let's try that. Images, special notes, images of products, accessories and the app in this manual are for illustrative purposes only and may be different from actual products. Products are subject to change without prior notice. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in this guide? Basic functions. Function, operation, switch on, switch off, print history. Well, there's nothing printed yet, so ain't going to be any history to watch. Print a test page, that could be helpful now. Double press the power button when the device is on. Double press the power button when the device is on. Okay, let's give that a try. Oh, how much stuff is it printing? Is it easy to tear off? What way do I? Oh yeah, there we go. So what is it printed as a test page? Just some technical information and a QR code. Okay. Well, that was pretty helpful. At least we saw it working. So what else do we have in here? Indicator, status, description. Blue, blinking slowly, standby. Blinking fast, charging, solid, Bluetooth connected. Okay, so we can see we've got solid Bluetooth. So that's about it for this quick start guide. So let's see what we can figure out in this app. So we've got some templates here. Let's give this one a try. So if we click on it, guess I'll just click print. Printer, the one we're connected to, which is obviously the only one here. Print copy 1, print density 2. Let's give that a little go. Okay. Pretty easy to set up and use. Date of birth, 9th of the 1st, 2025, which of course is today. So, let's see what else we can figure out in here. Maybe it would have been a good idea to watch that guide in the app. Can I see? Click on help. Help center. User guide. Okay, is this just going to show me the same thing that I just followed in the quick start guide? I think it is. Okay, it's got a bit more information then. Okay, so it's showing us how to edit the text and to style it. Let's see what else they have in the help center. Barcode, QR code operation, table input real time, serial number printing. For any of my programmers out there, you'll recognize this. Okay, let's adjust the style, let's make it bold, let's underline it, let's see, we'll remove that. So you can left align, center align, right align, let's leave it center aligned. Kerning, what does that mean? Oh, increasing the space between the letters. Put that back to 0.5. Line spacing, well there's only one line so that ain't gonna do anything. Text direction, okay. That's pretty cool. What else? Reverse type. Turn on reverse type effect to display the content in a more prominent way. Okay, so you can reverse, so it basically changes the color of the text and the background color. Font. Okay, lots of different fonts. You can adjust the positioning. Okay, you can mirror. So there's some pretty cool stuff you can do here. Let's print that. Let's see the result of that there. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, cancel. Alright, you can create an account as well to save your templates. I'm not going to do that right now. Actually, let me see, maybe I will. You need to log into your account to save your current data. Log in with Facebook, Apple, email or phone number. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so I registered for an account using my phone number. So I've now saved that template. That'll be handy because then I can print it again anytime and make changes to it as well, I guess. Yeah, by editing it. Let's see what else we can do with this then. Let's go with image. Allow. Okay, so I granted it access to a limited set of images and I've selected one. So let's confirm. Let's get rid of the text. Okay, so is it possible to print in color? Okay, can't see an obvious way to change the color, so I'll just leave it as black and white for now, or just like grayscale actually. And let's give that a go. Okay, obviously it's very tiny, but you can see the picture. Let's see, what else can we do? Icon. You can see we've got lots of different icons we can use. Some VIP, so I guess that become a VIP member and enjoy exclusive resources. So yeah, I guess that costs additional money, it looks like. Yeah. Guess they gotta make money somehow beyond the sale of the device. Don't save. What else? Time. Barcode. Point the camera at the barcode or QR code. Serial number. Border. Figure. Insert a table. Image recognition, and it's got certain AI features as well. Okay, so it's got nothing about AI features in the help center. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I think we've seen enough of what this device can do, and there's obviously plenty more to explore, but that was a good introduction to this device here, this smart label printer. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, feel free to watch some of my other videos, and until next time, take care.